Hello, welcome back to my afro. Today I'm doing something that I didn't think I'd be doing this soon in my life. I'm going to be trying out this L'Oreal Paris Colorista semi-permanent color for medium brown to light brown hair. What? It's supposed to, this is what the back looks like. It's supposed to only last 7 to 15 shampoos. I bought 2 just in case I didn't have enough. Let's slather this on. Slather. Hopefully this looks good because I'm leaving town today. And don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Let's get into it. And it said just to shampoo and dry your hair, so I just shampooed and dried. I didn't condition it. And then you just rinse it out and you don't wash it out. It comes with 2 pairs of, whoa! 3 pairs of gloves. Wow. That's nice. Came with 3 whole pairs of gloves. If you do a color like this or any bright color, you should wear gloves because it will stain your skin. I'm just squirting this into the bowl I already have because easier. Whoa, like navy blue. I have a feeling it's going to be more green than blue, but we shall see. I hope it looks actually teal, not green. I watched a few videos of people doing this and it looks more green. It comes with a little tiny freaking brush, but I'm gonna use my own because that's freaking tiny. That's better. It is nice that it comes with a brush though. Ah! Okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa. I haven't dyed my hair in a long time. Even though this is just semi-permanent. I'd recommend combing your hair after you put this stuff on, just to make sure that you're saturated all the way through the whole entire section that you just did. You don't want any spots. Or maybe you do. I hope it looks like what it looks like on my hair because that's freaking pretty. I'm excited to see if it works, to see how my curls look. Look at my arm, it's blue. I'm so excited to see my curls in the color. If it worked. I think my hair was light enough brown that it will work. I did see some people try to do it on their like really dark brown hair and it didn't really work. There was like a blue hue and that's it. So if you decide to do that, this and your hair is super dark, that's probably what you're gonna get. I'd recommend buying 2 just so you can not worry about having enough, and then you can super saturate the hair to make sure you get every piece. You don't want splotchy hair. The suction is gnarly. My mom texted me. Ah! My arms are turning blue. My neck. I should put petroleum jelly down real quick. If you have this, I'd recommend putting this around your hairline so you don't dye it like I've already done. We're almost done with one side. Just to update you, I used 1 whole of these bottles for one side. So if you have even longer hair, you're probably gonna need 3 or 4, depending on how thick your hair is. Okay, I got all the color on. Now we wait for 30 minutes. And I really hope it's this color because it's gorgeous and I look like a mermaid. 30 minutes. We interrupt this broadcast to inform you the secret to getting bright colored dye out of your skin, and that is blue Dawn dish soap. Don't forget that next time you dye your hair bright color, including me. I forgot, and then I remembered, and then I'm like, yes, I remembered. Okay, proceed to the 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go wash it. Okay, I haven't looked yet. I want to be surprised on camera, see if it looks good. Hopefully it looks good. Yeah! Oh my gosh, this looks great. I look like a true mermaid. That worked really good. I'm gonna style my hair and then see how it looks when it dries. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my word, oh my word, oh my word. It's gorgeous. I just styled it and I need to let it dry. I'll come back when it's dry. You can kind of see the product in there. But it looks really good and I look like a mermaid. Okay, see you soon. I'm back. My hair is mostly dry and it looks so good. It almost looks like I have like a filter on, but it's my real hair. I'm a real life mermaid. I'm a real life mermaid. Yeah, 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 yeah. I love it. My hair's not completely dry, but it's mostly, it's like 85% dry. It's so cute. And there you have it. I really like the product. It worked really good in my hair. I'm actually surprised about how much color is in my hair. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you like this new color with my curls. I like it. It's cute. Thanks for watching. Bye. Pew. Pew. Mermaid out.